Welcome to my backyard. This is Gardening with Stacy, taking you on a tropical garden tour right here in my Jamaican backyard garden. So right here I have this volunteer corn. I am not sure if it is a sweet corn or a regular Jamaican corn. When it produces, then I'll know. I have some okra right here, and there's a little sweet pepper right here. Not doing too good, but let's see. And over here I have my scotch bonnet peppers. They're looking good. And here I have my callaloo growing back. Remember, I got these branches the other day. See? And now, look how quickly it's springing up back. Over here I have some cabbages right here. And beetroot. And scallion. I see a pepper coming up right here. So I'll need to transplant this somewhere else. And in this container as well, I have beetroot and I have radish. I have a cabbage, more beetroot, and some collard green. In this container, I have some beetroot. I had a purple cabbage in here, and I don't know what happened, but for some reason, it's no longer there. So I am going to get me a packet of purple cabbage and put back right there. And over here now I have some pak choy, carrot, cucumber. My cucumbers are not doing well at all. The worms are just eating them up like crazy. So this is more cucumber. See, not doing well at all. The worms are just eating them up. I do not use chemical on my plants, and so I think I'm going to boil some neem and garlic and spray them and see. But right now, the looks of things, I don't know what is going to happen to my cucumbers. So I recently planted a few though, just in case. And I also have basil in this container. And these are some radishes and turnip. Here's a little sweet pepper. That doesn't look so good, but it's there nevertheless. Alright, so over here I have my nice little hibiscus plant. I really love it, and it is flourishing. And over here in this middle section, I have mint right here. I have a tomato right here. As times goes by, you'll learn of the varieties that I'm growing. And I have zinnia right here. Over in this one, I have some basil, more tomato. And in this one right here, I have a bell pepper right here and more tomato. And I have a pepper right here. It is like scotch bonnet pepper, but it's mixed with something because this pepper, it's not hot. It has a nice flavor, but I don't know what it is. A friend of mine gave me. I have more tomatoes right here. And I have basil. Again, more tomatoes inside here. And I also have carrots. Some of them are no longer, but yeah. I think I can put a few more right here. That's for this little section here. All right, so over here in this container, I have another basil. Basil make good companion, guys. And so that's the reason why I have so many around. I have some radishes, kale, and turnip in this container. And over here I have, there's an eggplant inside here. And I have some Swiss chard right here. I think this is a cauliflower. And over here I have some beans. I have this squash coming up right here. And over here I have zucchini. I have two zucchini plants right here. Leaf miner taking them over. I need to clean them up a little, along with two corns inside here. And I have some more corns right here. Oh, there are some beans in here as well. Some beans. I had some coming up here as well, but only two are seen right there. These are the corns. Basil. Some marigold. I'm going to put something inside here. I don't know what yet, because I was trying some herbs, but they didn't come up. And I have my lemon trees over there. This papaya tree, I don't know, it has been shedding so much. That is what is left of it. So I really don't know what is going to happen with that. And I have my lemongrass right there. You can also see some aloe vera in the frame. And I have some flowers over here. Oh, I forgot to mention, I have two eggplants coming up right here. All right, so over here I have some lettuce. This is iceberg lettuce. This is what I have left of my strawberry. And this one is definitely going. But I'm going to get some more bare roots. I have some buttercrunch lettuce coming up around here. And over in this one I have some beetroots and a broccoli here. Up here I have some beans. This is a zinnia right here, basil, and I have two melon varieties. Don't know which one this is, if it's a sugar baby or the tenders, but this is one. And I have peanuts, and this is the other variety of watermelon. Oh, I have some callaloo seeds that I throw inside here. When they get a little big, I'm going to transplant them into other containers. And over here I have some herbs. I think these right here are, well, these seeds look like they shift from here. I think these ones are sage, and I have a thyme coming up here. And these are chamomile coming up, dill, thyme. I don't know what this is. I don't know if it is something. I'm going to Google it to see what it is. I planted some mustard greens right here. I don't see anything as yet. If anything, I'll just plant some more and see. These are some marigolds right here. And this is a bird pepper. Well, this is what I have left of my bird peppers. And I have onions. I should get some more onions coming up in here. These are some sweet pepper or bell peppers. I think I have some onions too in this container as well. Over here I have some pepper, scotch bonnet pepper. This is a garlic right there. And I have some onions coming up in this container as well. Over here I have some radish and turnips. There's a marigold. And I have my cantaloupe plants right here. Over here I have my kungu or pigeon peas. So that's what's going on with my fall garden. I am in zone 13. Thank you so much for coming along with me on this tropical garden tour, October 2023, right here in my Jamaican backyard garden. Until next time, walk good.